Alright, in today's video we'll be looking at how to mix DNB music. Alright, it's going to be a very short quick tutorial, as in like I'll be mixing 3 songs and then I'll get into the breakdown of how I did it. Or yeah man, let's just figure out, let's just do it on the go. I'm not really sure how to proceed, but yeah, let's do this. Let's go. Alright, so this is the right point. Alright, so now if I have to explain all of this, it's going to be so much task. Alright, so let's just go back to Kara the dancing. Alright, so this is very simple, man. I just jumped from the first drop to second drop and I waited for it to finish. It's the chorus section of the song. As you can also see, I turned on the phrase mode on rekordbox, so you can also see it's the chorus section over here. So this is all the chorus section, but this first 16 bars is the main section, and then I started my song this exactly after the 16 bars are in. I started this, so I put a marker so that it's easier for everyone to understand that here's the 16 bar marker, and once this goes and this goes into the outro, at this point we are starting the drop of the song and we are just going in a flow, and then very simple, very basic, a very basic transition. I mean, it's basic for me, but yes, again, it's very simple. And one more thing, 1 second here. Okay, hold on. I'm getting a call in the middle of my recording, and there is no pause. Wow. Okay. Oh my god. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, where is the record box? Yes. All right, so coming back again, very simple. I've just jumped from first drop to second drop, and then this section over here, I started from the intro, very basic. And then I put a C marker already. That is because after 16 bars of this, I had more 32 bars, after which it goes into the second break. At that point of time, once it goes into the break, I've started putting a loop. And if I load you the other song, the first 32 bars was very basic intro. Obviously, and one more thing at DNB is that there are no intro beats. Most of the song doesn't have intro beats to it for some reason, but they have intro melodic intros, like, you know, something like this. You'll just have to use that. Again, beat matching in this kind of genre is a little difficult, because if there is no beats in the beginning of the song, how would you beat match? Always, and if you know, just don't hesitate using sync, man. It's just old saying. Just use sync. Okay, and just so that your beat matching is on point. Otherwise, if you have waveforms like this, then you can use the waveform to beat match as well. But again, your beat should be on the beat grid. Now, again, I think it's this is like after 32 points. Oh yeah, when this thing starts, it starts over here. As you can see, right? So yeah, this starts over here. Okay. Surprising. Okay, even that is 32 bars. Okay, weird. All right, so yeah. And once in this section, I think if I activate the reloop thing, it should work, I guess. Yeah. Why is it not working? Okay. All right. Okay. I think I put a loop over here. Yeah, and I just kept reducing the loop on time as this kept progressing. And yeah, that just went. We just went into the next once this picked up. And also, I think I forgot to jump to the second section, because if you're doing something such creative, I need to have another deck ready so that I can load up the third song and use the third channel to. Once I jump from this deck to that deck, I can easily swap. All right, man. That's it for our DNB mix. Hope to see you guys soon in our next video. If you have any questions or doubts, please comment down below. And have a nice day ahead. And sorry for the disturbance of calls today.